something that I like just realized today when I was thinking of like a video to record was that today, or I guess it's gonna be tomorrow, today for you guys, marks 3 months now that I've had my BRZ, and I was thinking, you know what, I said I was gonna do like a week, a month, 3 months, 6 months, a year, but I never did this second video for it. So I think I'm just gonna like use today as 3 months since I've had my BRZ. So I've done a few things to the car, nothing like too dramatic. I mean, it's been 3 months and I am a college student, so money is always an issue for me. But like I have done a few things. I'm definitely gonna have to go over what I've done so far in this 3 months that I've had the car. But I mean, to this day, when I get in the car, I still smile when I start it up and drive it. I just absolutely love this car still. After 3 months, I have no buyer's remorse at all. I think this car is absolutely beautiful and it's fucking sick. I'm not sure if I said my what's going on guys thing. So if I didn't, what's going on guys? I want to try to get some better like flyby footage for you guys because last time I really didn't. It sucked. So I'm gonna try to find like a road that's like open enough for me to do it so I can get some better footage for you guys for that. So yeah, that'll probably be the next clip. I lied about the next clip being that. But so having this car for 3 months, you know, you kind of learn the car a little bit. When people say this is a very slow car, it's honestly not that slow of a car. If you know how to shift and when to shift, there's plenty of power there. I mean, a lot of people use this car to drift, and I'm pretty sure those are sometimes stock engines, so it's obviously powerful enough to do that, so it's a powerful enough car. I now have 3,800, almost 3,900 miles on the car in my 3 months of owning it. Yeah, and as I said before, I still am in love with this car. I was gonna go find my road to do my flybys on, and as soon as like I pulled onto a main road, it started raining. Hopefully it dies down a little bit because I do want to get this footage in because I didn't really get to do that last time because I was in a parking lot. So hopefully my camera doesn't break. I really hope that sufficed. I was gonna start setting it down the street under this underpass, so did it for you guys. So as I said before, most of this video is gonna have to like, actually I didn't say this before. As I said before, it's raining outside, so I'm not really trying to go outside and get my like camera all wet or whatever. So most of this video is going to take place inside my car. But that's okay because most things I've done to my car have been on the inside. There's a whole video on my exhaust, so if you really want to see that, as the last video I recorded, I can probably put a little like info card. That will show the aggressiveness of it, and also on my Instagram, if you want to follow it, right here, there's more pictures of my exhaust setup on there. It's an FT86 Speed Factory Axleback exhaust, so if you guys want to watch that, I'll link it below or above, or I'll put it somewhere. So pretty much on the outside of the car, I haven't done too much yet. I have a tow hook that I got from Amazon for like $22 because a lot of people actually ask me about where I get that from, because everyone thinks that the only ones you can get are online for like 200 bucks, and I don't have an actual racing reason for mine. I just like how it looks. So you can get it for like 20 bucks on Amazon. And then also, I'm not really able to show you because of the rain, is my center caps. I have stickers over them that are, you know, red and black STI things. Also, yeah, that was part of my Wish video. and that was a good amount of time ago. They're still sticking on there, so I'm having no complaints with that. They stick there, they're still great. Another part that I have that I haven't mentioned, another part I have that I didn't mention yet was my side markers. I got those off of eBay for like 20 bucks, and they're just black side markers. I still haven't changed out the bulb. I think that was like the second or third video. That was probably the third video I recorded about my car, was with those, changing those out. Again, they didn't seem like they were gonna go on that well because like the clips didn't want to fit and it was cheaper plastic. But I have no complaints with them yet. They're on there. They haven't got water in them. They still stay there. They haven't moved. They do what they're supposed to do. So yeah, I'm not gonna complain about those. I like them a lot. I was gonna change out the bulb, which I never did, which I still have to do because I'm lazy. But I'll get to it one of these days. Hopefully when it's lighter out, I can get to it. As I said, yeah, so 3 months I've had the car for now. Man, it sucks I have to do this all inside the car. I'm sorry for that. But yeah, 3 months I've had the car. And on the outside, that's all I've done. I have a lot of plans for the car. I mean, if you want to call the axle back a performance mod, go for it. It's more of a sound thing because it was really quiet. I have a lot of plans for when I'm back home because I don't really want to take off my entire bumper to get to stuff right now while I'm at school because I don't really have a place to work on the car if I need anything or whatever. So performance mods are gonna have to wait until I go home, and then it's gonna be winter, like December when I move home, but I'm gonna have to try to make it work somehow. I've done it before, so I'll make it work again. I'm in a random ass parking lot, and it's not raining too bad right now, so I guess I'll just show you the stuff I have on the outside. I'm not gonna do talking, I'll just do like the sweeping pan motion things across them. Why is everyone staring at me? And now for the inside of the car. So I haven't done much to the inside either. It's been 3 months, which is a long time for some people, but I'm a college student. I don't have time or money. So pretty much what I did was I changed out my shift knob because Dragon Ball Z, you know, JDM life. I changed out my reverse lockout, which I have a video for that too. I'll try to tag it up top. That reverse lockout I still need to do some work with because the little like pin holding it, I didn't get it in all the way and ended up breaking my push pin, so I gotta fix that. It was really sketchy to do. But both these things I got off Wish. I think I got the reverse lockout, and it is actual metal. It's like anodized metal. I got that for like $1, and the shift knob I got for like $2. I mean, it's not a weighted shift knob, it's a cheap shift knob, but I kind of like how it looks. I just don't like that little gap there. And then also another thing I got off Wish, which I have a whole Wish video, is this. I don't have a front to my camera, and the camera just flew out of the tripod. So I have this STI thing to cover up my seat heaters. And I really do like how that looks, honestly. It's not stuck in because I actually can't really get it out. But I like how it looks like that. And now it's almost winter time. It's starting to get cold out. I mean, it's 45 right now. So we're getting there. It hasn't been too cold, but air conditioning in this car has been great when it was hot. The heater in this car is great when it's been cold enough for it. And I have my seat heaters on all the time, and I'm gonna say they're not the best seat heaters, but they do the job. Keeps your buns nice and toasty. All right, I really don't have much else to talk about because I don't. I upload every week, every Saturday. I upload to Instagram almost every day except for the weekends. That's the times I do, you know, my self days. But yeah, 3 months later, 3,900 miles later, I'm still absolutely in love with this car. I have no complaints about it. And those are pretty much the mods I've done. I didn't say tint. I have tint. That was the first thing I did, and I have a video for that too. That's why you guys should watch all of my videos to see what I've done. And then every once in a while I'll upload a video of what else I have done to it, and then you guys be like, wow, you're fucking cool. Alright, this video is probably gonna be short, or maybe it's long, I don't really know. I didn't really have much to record today except for that, so peace out guys, I'll catch you guys later, see you.